The next topic is why water is called a universal solvent. Solvent is any liquid which dissolves other substances, generally solids. It can dissolve liquids also, it can dissolve gases also. So generally solvents are the liquids which dissolve other substances into them. Now what is the meaning of universal? Universal means so many things. Most of the substances get dissolved in water. Most of the substances get dissolved in water. What is the reason why water can dissolve most of the substances? We know the molecular formula of water is H2O. Now when the water particles are formed, they are formed by the bonding between hydrogen and oxygen atom in this way. Now these two hydrogen atoms and this oxygen atom is bonded together. That means they are staying together by the sharing of their electrons. So here hydrogen is sharing its electron and here one electron from oxygen is shared. Same way with this hydrogen also, one electron is shared from the oxygen, one electron is shared from the hydrogen. Now this shared pair of electrons, when in the formation of molecule of water, is shifted towards oxygen more, gets shifted towards oxygen atom. Because it gets shifted towards oxygen atom, so and we know that electrons are negatively charged, so oxygen atom will acquire a negative charge, and the hydrogen atom, because the electrons have moved towards oxygen more, so it will acquire a positive charge. This is known as delta positive, delta negative. Same way with the other hydrogen also, the electron pair will be shifted towards oxygen, so the oxygen will be acquiring a negative charge and the hydrogen acquires a slight positive charge. Because of the shifting of charges or the shifting of electron pair towards oxygen, a polarity is developed. Polarity is developed in the water molecule. Because there are two kinds of charges, so we call it as dipole. Dipole is present in the water molecule, or we can call that water is a polar covalent compound. Water is a polar covalent compound. Because of this, when the things are dissolved or put into water, it will be able to break the forces of attraction between the particles and can dissolve anything inside it. That is why water is called a universal solvent. For example, if ionic substances, generally it is the ionic or electrovalent compounds get dissolved in water. So when say NaCl, which is made up of Na positive and Cl negative ions, is dissolved in water, which is H2O and which is having this kind of structure, so this will attract, this hydrogen will attract the chloride ions because it is having a slight positive charge on it, and the oxide ions will be attracting the sodium because it is having negative charge, and that will break the forces of attraction between the sodium ions and chloride ions. The forces of attraction which are holding these particles together will be broken because of water, and in this way the ionic compounds get dissolved in water. That is why water is called a universal solvent.